Today's lesson, responsive navigation bar. Today, we'll build a responsive navigation bar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a semantic HTML structure for navigation, style the navigation bar with flexbox and media queries, implement a mobile-friendly hamburger menu, add interactive functionality with JavaScript. Let's dive into the code and see how it all comes together. We start with the critical viewport meta tag that ensures mobile devices properly understand their width context. Without it, mobile browsers wouldn't correctly apply our media queries, making our responsive design ineffective. The HTML structure includes a logo, a list of navigation links with the home link marked as selected, and a hamburger menu for mobile devices. This simple structure forms the foundation of our responsive navbar component. Now we'll add our CSS styling. We start by creating a style tag to contain all our CSS rules. We begin by styling the body, removing default margins, setting a modern font stack, and adding a subtle light gray background from the Tailwind palette. The navigation bar itself is styled using flexbox to evenly space the logo, links, and hamburger icon, with a rich blue background from the Tailwind palette and a pronounced shadow for depth and elevation. The anchor tags within the navigation links are styled with light indigo text color, padding, and rounded corners to prepare for both hover and selected states. On hover, the anchor tags change to white text with a slightly darker blue background, giving users clear interactive feedback. The selected state uses a brighter blue background with rounded corners and slightly bolder text to clearly indicate the current page. This block styles the container for the navigation links. Flexbox is used to display the list items in a row, and default list styling is removed. Each list item is given horizontal margin to ensure there is enough spacing between individual navigation links. The logo is styled to be prominent by increasing its font size, using bold text, and adding subtle letter spacing for a modern touch. For larger screens, we hide the hamburger menu completely, as it's not needed. Now we define styles for mobile screens with a media query for screens smaller than 768px. This is where we'll adjust our layout for smaller devices. The navigation links container is repositioned off-screen, arranged vertically, and given a smooth transition effect for sliding in and out. On mobile screens we display the hamburger menu by making it visible and using flexbox to stack the three bars vertically. Each span in the hamburger container is styled to form the three-line icon with subtle rounded corners. The list items within the navigation links are centered and spaced vertically for a clean mobile layout. We set the selected link to display inline block, which gives it proper box model properties, so the padding and border radius work correctly in the mobile view, preventing the highlight from extending across the full width. This JavaScript snippet toggles the navigation menu. When the hamburger icon is clicked, the navigation links slide in or out of view. In this lesson, we created a modern, responsive navigation bar with a sleek blue color scheme from the Tailwind palette, implemented a visually distinct selected state with rounded corners, and added a mobile-friendly hamburger menu that elegantly transitions between desktop and mobile views.